The professional swing indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on chart. Traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run it on the chart by dragging the file. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the settings and then click the OK button. Select and run the indicator by dragging it onto the chart. Enable Allow DLL Imports and click OK. The oscillator window opens at the chart's bottom. Just make sure to activate this checkbox from the full Ella Delilah option section and then click the Confirm option. Applying the indicator opens a window. The professional swing indicator identifies reversal points. 2 sell and 1 buy signals led to price changes. Bars above 0 indicate a bullish trend. Orange bars below show a bearish trend. Green and red points mark overbought and oversold areas, providing valuable information. For example, at this point, and at this point, 2 sell signals and 1 buy signal have been generated for us. When the sell signal appeared, the price moved downward, and when the buy signal was issued, the price moved upward. When the histogram bars are above the 0 line, it indicates a bullish trend. And when the histogram bars move downward and show orange bars, it signifies a bearish trend in the market. The green and red points indicate overbought and oversold areas, respectively, providing traders with valuable information. In the Settings section, under the Input section, there is only one option available for us, where you can adjust the display settings. Semyat, an exclusive annotator theme that has 3 modes: Light, Dark, and Custom. By selecting the Light option, Light template appears on the object chart, the template that is placed on my chart. A dark template is applied, and choosing Custom keeps your template. While applying the indicator, the dark template changes to dark, displaying the histogram. Traders use histograms to identify market divergences. For example, the histogram moved up, but candles created lower lows and highs. Then, the price moves up. We have reached the end of this tutorial. Traders can also use these histograms to identify divergences within the market. For example, at this point, the histogram has moved upwards, but within this range, the candles have started to make lower lows and lower highs. And then we see that the price has moved upwards. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy to hear your comments and suggestions in the comments section.